Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing verified notifications in X. Verified notifications allow you to stay updated with important and trustworthy information. So let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Locate the bell icon at the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the Notifications tab. Step 3. In the Notifications tab, you'll find a top drawer with various options. Tap on Verified to filter and view only the verified notifications. Viewing verified notifications in X is a great way to ensure you're receiving credible and reliable information. Stay up to date with important updates, news, and announcements from verified sources. Remember to check your notifications regularly to stay informed about the latest verified content. X's verification system helps you distinguish trustworthy information from other types of notifications. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view verified notifications in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.